What's up, explorers? Welcome back to our channel. We're the Choose here from Choose to Explore, where we teach you guys how to see the world
and save a dollar.
So we are here in Luxor, Egypt at the beautiful Hilton Luxor Resort and Spa, where we'll be spending 3 days. And we have so much to show you guys because this is a beautiful waterfront hotel right on the Nile River. And with a clear day, you can see the palm trees and the mountains and so much lush and beauty.
We're going to show you where to eat, what the rooms are like, and all the great amenities here at this resort and spa. So stay tuned. Really gorgeous pools here. There's the main pool with all the loungers in there, and then there's also an infinity pool on top of that one with the swim-up bar. So it's really great. Grab a drink and overlook the Nile.
Yeah, it's a beautiful place you can be. Also, the water here at the pool is not so cold. Unfortunately, I didn't go in, but I dipped my feet in and it felt really good. It was refreshing. It wasn't cold, which was delightful to feel.
So there's 3 different restaurants here at this resort, and we had dinner at 2 of them, and we had breakfast every morning at the 3rd.
So the first one we ate at was Olives, and that's like a Mediterranean restaurant, and this one was really nice. I ended up having a sea bass here, and it was amazing. It's seasoned so good, great flavors here. And we also started with the risotto, with the asparagus risotto with the mushrooms. There was so much flavor in this. I don't even eat mushrooms, but I was eating off of Liv's to start, and it was so good.
And also I got to try the kosheri, which is a really good vegetarian option. It had different types of noodles, different types of lentils and beans, and a red sauce with it, and it was incredible. Actually, I was not expecting it to be that good.
It's actually the national dish of Egypt, so definitely come and try it. And overall, it was pretty affordable too. Liv also got a drink, and together it was like under $40 for the 2 of us. Now, the second restaurant that we ate at was the Asian Oriental style restaurant, and that's called Silk Road. It's upstairs and it has beautiful views and decor, and also they have a piano there, and on our second day here, somebody was actually playing the piano as well.
So I ended up ordering the spring rolls, which were really delicious. They came with a really good sweet chili sauce. And then I also ordered a different type of a soup that I hadn't had before. It was more creamy and really spicy, super flavorful, really good.
I ended up getting something similar to like a butter chicken. As I said, it's an Indian, Asian restaurant. And I also had the naan, which went really good with the butter chicken style dish. There are so many different options at this restaurant, and I really enjoyed it. Now, the other restaurant that they have here is downstairs, and it's where they serve breakfast every morning. They also serve dinner, but it's also more of a buffet style like breakfast. Unfortunately, we didn't get to eat here for dinner, but the thing that I love about this resort is that breakfast every day is different. So they have different menu options every day that we had breakfast, and that's 3 different breakfasts that we had. And they have so many different options. They have international cuisine, they have Egyptian cuisine, they have yogurts, they have bread station, they have honey. I love that they even have like a sugarcane section where you can go and squeeze out your own sugarcane and get fresh sugarcane juice. They also have the chef outside who makes freshly made Egyptian bread, and you see her put it in the oven, take it out, and she came and she hand delivered it to us. So good.
So good with the hummus. That was probably my favorite thing.
Also, what I recommend is going up to the omelet/crepe bar and get it. I forget the lady's name. Is it Normeen?
Yeah.
Normeen. She was amazing. She's so personable, and she makes an amazing omelet and crepe. First day I went and she made me a crepe with banana and Nutella. Then the second day she made me banana and caramel, and so good. Omelets were amazing as well, and she also has the falafel area, right?
Yes.
My wife Liv, she's vegetarian, so she makes fresh falafel basically to order for us every time that we get there. So it was really good.
Yes.
Alright, so let me give you guys a room tour of our place here at Hilton Luxor Resort and Spa. So we got upgraded to a deluxe room. Shout out to a gold status, which gave us that. Let me go to the bathroom. Okay, sink, toilet. Handheld shower, nice amenities. Pretty ample closet space here. Both sides. Come this way, we have a mini fridge with waters, and we get 2 waters a day because of our status. Big king size bed. Here's the queen. Okay. TV, they treat us to a nice fruit platter. Come out this way. And here's the star of the show. It's a balcony that overlooks, look here, the Nile River. And over there is the West Bank. We also have the pool that's over here. It's dark so you really can't see. But definitely a really nice room here. So between the hours of 5 and 6, there actually is a buy one get one free happy hour on drinks, and that's margaritas, wine, pina coladas, mojitos, some other drinks. But unfortunately, I don't drink, so we're not gonna partake in a buy one get one. But if you come out here right to the pool and sit all the way at the edge, you can see the most beautiful sunset during the happy hour time, which I highly, highly recommend. Check it out.
When we were planning where to stay in Luxor, we used a newer site called Plannin, and it's quickly become one of our favorite tools for finding great hotels, especially with real traveler insight. It's completely free, and the platform is full of recommendations from actual travelers, including us. You'll find personal tips, hidden gems, and exclusive discounts of up to 40% off on stays that you won't see on the typical booking sites. We've added our top hotel picks, including this one, to our profile. So if you want to see what we recommend and want to save on your next trip, check out our Plannin page linked in the description. You can also scan the QR code on screen to sign up for a free account. It's helped us book smarter and often cheaper, so we're excited to finally share it with you. Big thanks to Plannin for supporting this video and making trip planning way easier.
Alright, and another cool thing that this hotel has is the Diwan, Shisha, and Meze area. So last night we came here, the sun was setting, they had the hookahs out here, and hookahs or the Shisha, however you like to call it, and there were people just smoking the Shisha and just enjoying and just chilling out over here. Beautiful views of the Nile River, and when it's lit up, it's really nice. Also right here on the Nile River, you could have special dinners if you'd like. So you could have a traditional Egyptian dinner, you could have a romantic dinner where everything is lit up, and because it's Ramadan right now, you could have a set Ramadan menu. So really good options and beautiful.
Yes.
There also is another restaurant which is the Fatir House, and that is traditional Egyptian cuisine. Unfortunately, we didn't get to eat it there, but we hear really good things from the staff about the food here. But if you keep walking, you'll also see a nice waterfall as well as the fitness center. So now the fitness center is really cool because it has amazing views of the Nile River, which will definitely keep you motivated. Also, there's tons of equipment here, including free weights, row machines, treadmills, and the fitness center locker rooms also have showers so you can freshen up as well.
Alright, so on the other side of the resort is actually the spa, and this is a world-class spa that's won many awards throughout the years for being the best spa in all of Egypt. So included in our stay is a complimentary access to the infinity pool by the spa, as well as the steam and spa room, but also there's also different treatment options that you can get as well, so definitely take out some time to do that.
So while we have some time, we're going to go to the spa and steam room, so that's going to be next. So I'm here in the spa region, and these are all free access activities or free access amenities that they have. So they have a sauna. Sauna is beautiful. It gets so hot there. I was in there for like 3 minutes, and personally I can't deal with the heat like that. Liv loves it, but I can't. But it has timers there, and you can moderate the temperature a little bit. They also have, like, it's called the Laconium, which is more of a gentle heat, which I prefer a lot better. That's to the side, and then you also have access to an outdoor garden that has more showers, because they say water is therapy, and you go outside and it's just beautiful. Great place just to spend some time and relax. They also have air area where they give you refreshing towels, waters. The locker room is really nice. You have access to your own lockers as well. And they have a relaxation area where you could come relax, basically just nap and get away. Really nice free spa amenities here. And I highly recommend you check them out during your stay here. Also on the property, there are 3 ATMs and a shop where you can go and get a bunch of souvenirs. All right, so now we're back to the room, and even though they said that they have 3 or maybe 4 restaurants, if you don't feel like getting out of your room, or if it is outside of those hours where the restaurant is open, they have 24-hour room service that you can order at any time, and great food as well. It looked like they have a lot of the food that's at Olives, which is the Mediterranean restaurant that we ate at. And unfortunately, our time here at Hilton Luxor Resort and Spa is over. This was an amazing stay, and I wish we had more time here because it has so many different things to do here. The 4 restaurants, the spa, the waterfront right here on the Nile, the pools. Man, I could stay here all day. But thank you guys so much for checking out our channel. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.